Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I haven't recorded in a while, but I'm back. And also, today, I have no idea what we should be doing. Oh yeah, actually today, we're gonna be smacking myself in the head. Just kidding. Today, just get injured. Thank you. I still have no idea. Okay. Oh yeah. Today we're gonna be doing all our fidgets. Yeah. I'm gonna be showing you all my fidgets.
What are you doing?
Whoa. I'm recording a video. Whoa. This is water and oil because, you know, they don't mix. Yeah, well, that's one of them. And look, if you flip it over, it goes the other way. Cool. Okay, where's my next fidget? Oh, yeah. This is for shooting. Oh. I'm okay, guys. And the last one, this one's actually my favorite. Look, it's a space. Hey guys, are fidget spinners fidgets? Because they have fidget in their name. Now guys, this hasn't actually every single one of my fidgets. Yep. That's one drawing I made. Guys, if you still don't know what this is, like, bro, have you been living under a rock? And today, I got this spider tattoo. Yep. Let me go to the rest of my fidget. Oh, here's another fidget, a squishy. Look. I call him Tiny. Okay, I'll be right back. Here's another one. Ah! That hurt. Oh, gee, why am I doing that? I have a Rubik's Cube, fidget. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I also have a Pop It. Just show you it. It's actually a good Pop It. I know it might be white, but hey, it's a good Pop It. Okay, time to go bring that back.
My freaking crystal bracelet still haven't come in.
Oh, I found another squishy. It's blowing air. Magnet balls. Oh, look. Yeah, I forgot about this thing. Look at this. Wait, hold on. Wait. Let me do something real quick. Done. Okay, done. Okay, whatever. Oh, hey, Mom.
Hello.
Slinky. Yeah, you guys already said this thing. Yeah. You guys look so big. Oh, and yeah, that's the rest of my fidgets.